Yeah, welcome to this currency call today, where we share our analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So this is the usual schedule of the week: Monday, Aussie and Kiwi, which is today; Tuesday, Euro; Wednesday, Pound; Thursday, Yen and Gold; Friday, Canadian Dollar. So I see many new names here today. So before we start, do help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? Yeah, so this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. So a disclaimer here: any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have some new names here today with us. So I would like to know, how did you know us? Where did you know this webinar from? So while you guys are filling out the poll, a quick introduction about the speaker. Jin is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades more than $10 million account on a daily basis for his managed account clients. He is also an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course in Singapore, recently featured in Money FM, sharing his views about the FX market. So yeah, looking at the poll, I see many of you joining us from the Telegram channel. So I want to take this opportunity to share about the LCMS Traders Club. So if you take a look at I'm sharing my screen right now. So if you look at, this is our private Facebook group where we teach, guide, and signal, coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be, regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram channel, you have been enjoying our signals for free. But the question here is, you know when to enter a trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier. So if you look at my screen here, we not only give you these signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind it. For example, when we fire out the signals, we actually attach a chart and show you the analysis behind the signal. And we also guide you on where to exit with reasons too. So for example, this signal, we hit 20 pips. We actually suggest you to secure the profits now at 25 pips. Yeah, so you don't get all these reasons to exit or where to exit in the Telegram channel. So we give it to you here, the strategy behind it and where to exit, because not only you can earn from the signals, but you can also learn how to trade better. So if you are totally new to trading, we do have members only live Zoom session on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, and update you on recent economic developments. So for example, we had a current weekly live call with Jin, where we usually do an economic roundup and we coach you on signals, and also Jin will do some group coaching, answer questions. So like this is also the opportunity to pick Jin's brain on pretty much anything trading related. On Wednesday, we also provide you with some tutorials, like how to identify trend properly, divergence, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and a lot more. We have also a lot of other tools, features in the Traders Club, like the 4-day Kickstarter video here, where if you are totally new to trading, this is the place to start watching the videos and learn. We have like the currency watch list, many other features here that we provide you the best information here to shortcut your way to trading success. So to join this group, very simple, you just have to hop over to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. We'll post up the link in a while. So it's a paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So if you are facing any uncertainty in your trading, taking unnecessary risk, you need to join this club to get some guidance and coaching to improve on your confidence and strategy immediately. So just want to end off by saying that with a community of coaches, with Jin, with senior traders here, guiding you to trade, your trading journey will definitely be more enjoyable and profitable. So if you haven't already, hop on to the club. It's only $199 a year, less than $1 a day. So yeah, with that, I'll pass the time out to Jin for the currency call.
Okay, that would be me. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing today? Today, Monday, talking about the Aussie dollar and the Kiwi. Actually, not that much to talk about. I mean, everything seems to be sitting right in the middle. But just doing the quick screen share. Get that away. All right. So same thing, forextradingasia.com. If you're not registered already, make sure I'll do this one more time. Forextradingasia.com, get in, log in, register your account, get points for registering, get points for reading articles, and then as you get your points, you can click on redeem and go redeem $20 or $50 vouchers, cash, right? So you can use your points to get some money out of this. So you not only get paid, you get paid for reading news analysis and using the site. So looking at the news today, all right, looking at the news today, not a lot of Aussie news or Kiwi news that's coming out today. We are looking at a lot of Euro news at 5 o'clock. PMI numbers coming out from the Eurozone, PMI numbers coming out from the UK. So, be a bit careful. I'll talk about the Euro numbers tomorrow, but if you're trading the Euro dollar or any of the Euro pairs or pound pairs, be careful with that. Not much changes look likely to happen though. Tomorrow, not much on the Aussie or the Kiwi. Okay. One thing you take note is 4 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, there is a financial stability report for the Kiwi dollar. Aussie, some news, but these are not likely to move markets too much. Then as we scroll through, Thanksgiving on Thursday, expect to see markets be a lot quieter from then onwards or from Wednesday onwards, because traders are not likely to hold on to long positions or longer term positions through Wednesday, Thursday, and on Black Friday on Friday after Thanksgiving, right? So you're probably not going to see too much volatility this week. Quite a distribution of news, but you're not going to see too much volatility this week, especially without any Aussie dollar news. So you can see some Euro numbers coming out through this week. And with the US going on Thanksgiving break from Thursday onwards, most likely we're going to see a lot more activity on the Euro side, not so much on the US side. So with that, looking at the charts, it is going to be quite straightforward. I would say that not a lot of, not a lot of big news drivers that's going to change direction significantly. On the Aussie US, I'll start with the Aussie first. Looking at it first on the daily time frame, we haven't looked at it on the daily time frame for a while. At this point, it looks like although there might be some further upside, right, from this 7291 level, it looks like there could be some further upside towards 7377. At this point, it does look like it's quite toppish. Okay, what I mean by toppish means that if it does go up, there's not a lot of room upwards. We can see that last time it got there in August, it came straight back down quite significantly. If it does go up and hit that level, I would expect it to come straight back down again. So I will be a bit more careful if I were to trade it up, looking at it on the H4 time frame. At this point, same as what we said last week. Same as what we said last week here. I think that it's still going to go up and test 7377. But at this point, you got a good 40 pip stop loss for a 40 pip take profit level 1:1. Okay, and that's if you jump into a trade right now. So be a little bit more careful with your Aussie dollar trade, trading it upwards. I still do think it's going to go up, but it's going to be a trade that you want to manage a bit more closely. With that said, probably more interestingly is to let it go up, see what happens at 7377 if it's going to react off this level and come down quite significantly. So trade it up carefully, let it see what happens at 7377. If it does hit and break downwards, then we could see quite a significant downside from this point. If it goes up and break above 7377, we have 7522, but be very, very careful if it's going to continue going higher. I would do very short-term trades for the 120 pips upwards, because as price goes into the higher levels or the extreme levels, it's going to have a lot of volatility. People are going to always take profits and close off quite quickly, or take on opposite position trades. So you're going to see a lot of volatility during this if it does break above and try to go towards 7522. So I would actually prefer to see it reject 7377 and trade back downwards. I see the chat blinking away. Does that make sense to you? Let me just have a quick look. Jonathan with the summaries. Okay. So then looking at the New Zealand US dollar, same thing moving as we spoke about last week. I had that green line there, drawing it up to test 0.7. It does look like it's going to continue moving up towards that level. Okay, it looks like it's going to continue moving up towards 7.7. But at 0.7, it's very topish. Going to the daily time frame, zooming out some more, you can see it hasn't been there for a very long time. If I went to the weekly chart, the last time it was at 0.7 was back in 2018 of June 2018, when it tried to go up and broke significantly downwards. So because of that, 2018 June, we're almost in 2021. So it's been a very long time. Looking at that back to the H4 time frame, I do think that we're going to see it continue upwards, test that 0.7, possibly even break upwards from that 7, make you think that it's going to go higher before coming back down again. I don't think that, as much as we see a weaker US dollar in the short, medium term, maybe even slightly longer term, I don't think the New Zealand dollar will do quite well at such a high or such a strong level of 0.7. So expect to see, I would expect to see some level of intervention come in, taking it down from 0.7. Okay, so quite not a lot of trades to do at this point. I would say you could have that upward move of 40 pips. Again, another trade that you want to manage very closely. But for me right now, it would be a bit of patience, right? Let it go up, let it test those extreme levels and see if it's going to test lower again. Take some, if you have the opportunity, take some speculative trades, because those counter trend trades might play out quite well if it does reject those levels. With that said, I do know that there are some of you who are looking. I've never seen your names before. If you want to find out more about how to trade, then make sure you jump onto the 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. Right? For the 200th currency course special, what we'll be doing, scroll all the way down, read that if you want, but it's just wasting time reading good stuff. I would say scroll down, attend the 4-day course, live 4-day training, absolutely free. Okay, it is going to be on the 1st, the 3rd, the 8th, and the 10th of December, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT +8. It's going to be fully streamed online in a Facebook group. All you have to do is make sure you join the group, right? Scroll down further, click join now. It brings you straight into the Facebook group. So you can see that we're not collecting any fees from you, no credit card details, nothing involved. All you have to do is click join and get into the group. Not only that, we are also going to be giving away maybe about 4 fully funded live trading accounts for a few selected people. Terms and conditions do apply. So all you have to do now is make sure you join the group. Make sure you get as many people as possible to join the group, friends, family, anyone you want to join the group, and make sure they attend the sessions. And then you'll be in the running for a fully funded live trading account. All right. So make sure you join 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. With that said, I think we're going to happy to end it off. I'll pass it back to Chinwei.
Okay, thank you, Jin. So yeah, I will post up some links right now. Before that, do help me answer this poll. How do you find the webinar? Okay, so I've posted up some links, the YouTube channel, Telegram channel for free signals, our Traders Club link, and also the 4-day course link. So if you guys are interested, I mean, you guys have to join the 4-day course if you are totally new to trading. And yeah, do join us tomorrow for the Euro currency analysis. And for Traders Club tonight, look at Jin's background. We have the 4 Pillars of Success by Chris Richards, the Managing Director of APAC. You have to join this webinar to find out how you can manage your trading. You know, we trade at nights. We don't sleep, so we need to manage our nutrition, stress, and sleep, movement, everything properly. So this is definitely something you have to join. It's personally invited by Jin himself to let you guys know how important all this is in conjunction with actually trading properly. So please join us tonight for the Traders Club members. For the rest of you, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.